Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a trailing stop loss in Questrade. A trailing stop loss is a dynamic order designed to protect your profits by automatically adjusting its stop price. As your stock's price rises, the stop price moves up with it, maintaining a fixed distance. This means you can secure gains while still giving your investment room to grow. It's a powerful tool for managing risk and maximizing returns in volatile markets. To begin, log into your Questrade account and navigate to the symbol you wish to trade. Whether you are selling an existing position or buying a new one, you will access the order entry window. This is where you define your trade parameters. The crucial step here is to change the order type. From the available options, select trailing stop loss to activate this specific protective order for your chosen security. Once you have selected the trailing stop loss order type, you will need to define its parameters. The trailing amount is critical. You can set it as a percentage, for example, 5%, or a fixed dollar value, such as $2. This amount dictates how far the stop price will trail the market price. Finally, ensure you specify the correct number of shares for which this trailing stop loss order should apply before proceeding. When using trailing stop loss orders, remember they are generally only active during standard market hours. Be mindful of market volatility. Setting too tight a trailing amount, like 1%, might lead to your position being stopped out prematurely during minor fluctuations. Conversely, a wider amount, such as 10%, offers more room. Always review and adjust your orders, as market conditions evolve to ensure they align with your current trading strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.